In today's digital age, our world is largely viewed through the lens of a camera. Cameras capture not just images, but moments, emotions, and the essence of experiences. Yet, as technology advances, so too does our desire for clarity, precision, and immersive detail in each snap. Enter artificial intelligence, a transformative force that is redefining the landscape of camera quality and revolutionizing how we document our lives. At the heart of AI-driven enhancements in camera systems is the ability to process and analyze images with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Unlike traditional camera technology, which relies solely on the physical hardware, AI-enhanced cameras leverage powerful algorithms to elevate image quality. This blend of technology allows for features like intelligent scene recognition, where the camera can automatically adjust settings by discerning between a sunrise and a close-up portrait. Moreover, AI has paved the way for real-time enhancements. Consider scenarios where lighting is less than ideal. In an instant, AI algorithms work to balance exposure and reduce noise, optimizing the image even before you press the capture button. Such advancements ensure that your cherished moments are depicted as vividly and beautifully as they are remembered. Face recognition is another marvel introduced through AI. Beyond simply identifying a face, AI can now track facial expressions and subtle nuances, such as the twinkle in an eye or a playful smile, preserving the emotion that truly makes the photograph memorable. For photography enthusiasts, this means less time tweaking post-capture settings and more time enjoying the art of photography itself. Additionally, AI contributes to the evolving trend of computational photography. With this approach, multiple frames are processed and aggregated using AI techniques to produce one consistently superior image. This method is especially beneficial in scenarios requiring HDR or low-light performance, where previously, cameras would falter. By synthesizing various data points from multiple shots, AI ensures an image with balanced highlights and shadows, which showcase the natural beauty of any scene. However, it's crucial to note that while AI offers significant enhancements, it is not without its limitations. There remains an ongoing conversation regarding the ethical implications of AI in photography, such as the potential for manipulated reality or privacy concerns in facial recognition technology. Understanding and addressing these issues is as vital as embracing the technology itself. As we continue to journey through this digital age, the role of artificial intelligence in camera technology will undoubtedly expand. It promises to push the boundaries of what can be captured and how these moments are immortalized. From professional photographers to casual smartphone users, AI is democratizing photography, making high-quality imagery accessible to all. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence into camera systems represents a monumental leap forward in capturing perfect moments. It blends technology with artistry, allowing us to see the world in richer detail and truer colors. As we preserve our past through photos, AI ensures that these memories remain clear and true to life. As such, in the realm of photography, AI isn't merely a tool, it is the next step in our quest to make time stand still.